Hello friends, this video will be talking about straddle, the neutral strategy part 2. In this strategy, I will be discussing with you some more scenarios of straddle, the neutral strategy. So let us give a quick recap of what a straddle strategy is. A straddle is a neutral strategy wherein the investor would be buying both call and put option at the same strike price. This strategy is relevant when the investor or the trader is expecting volatility but is not aware that whether that volatility would be of upside or of downside. So now let us take the scenario 2 wherein the bank nifty is of 9,000 and uh, the strategy would be that both the option would remain unexercised. How? Let us recall what I have discussed in my earlier video also. Why call would not be exercised? Because call is to be exercised when the expected price is to go up, whereas in this case it has been remain same as the strike price. Can we exercise put? Obviously put cannot be exercised because put is to be exercised when the expected price is to go down. So in this scenario the maximum loss would be of 7,500 rupees, that is the premium paid on call and put. Now let us take the third scenario. In case the bank nifty on expiry goes to 9,600. So let us recap again. I have discussed in one of my videos when to buy a call option. Herein we can see that call option need to be exercised and the payoff from call would be the difference between the strike price and the expiry price, that is 600 into 25 is the lot size 15,000 minus the cost which I have incurred on call, that is 2,500 rupees is equal to 12,500. And if I look at the net profit, 12,500 रुपया मेरे को यहाँ से मिला है माइनस जो मैंने पुट पे खर्चा किया 5,000, so that is 7,500 rupees. So by if in case the scenario 3 happens, that is in case the bank nifty is on 9,600 on expiry, the investor would be enjoying a profit of 7,500 rupees. Now let us take one more scenario wherein the bank nifty on expiry goes to 9,300 rupees. Again call option to be exercised and the payoff would be 300 into 25 is equal to 7,500 minus what the cost I have incurred, that is 2,500. So final amount will be 5,000. And if I look at the profit, in this scenario profit would not be there, rather the break-even point will be achieved, that is a point of no profit no loss. 5,000 from call payoff minus the cost which I have incurred on put, that is 5,000, so 0. So that means in case the bank nifty on expiry goes to 9,300, the trader would be achieving a upper break-even point. Let us take one more scenario. Scenario 5, wherein if the bank nifty on expiry goes to 8,700 rupees. Now here I need to understand that put option to be exercised. In one of my video I have already explained when to exercise the put option. So in this particular case we will be exercising the put option and the payoff would be again difference of 87 and 9,300 into the lot size 25 and 7,500. So total payoff 7,500 minus the cost which I have incurred on put, that is 5,000. So total payoff is 2,500. Call premium paid 2,500. Again 2,500 payoff from put strategy and 2,500 from call strategy. So my net profit would be 0. Again I can say that I have achieved a lower break even wherein I have neither lost anything nor I have earned anything. So I have earned a lower break even of payoff from put minus the cost of call. So that is the beauty of straddle, that even if the volatility of the underlying goes up or down, you can achieve the break even in both the cases. Thank you.